An oversight by police in Victoria has cast doubt on hundreds of criminal cases and could cause chaos in the state's justice system. A senior officer has told the court he can't remember ever swearing on a Bible or affirming his word when preparing an affidavit for search warrants. Lawyers say this casts doubt on the validity of search warrants and evidence that was obtained from them as a result. Hamish Fitzsimmons reports.
Criminal defence lawyers say their phones have been running hot, with clients wanting cases reviewed after police confirmed affidavits used to obtain search warrants are rarely completed properly.
It's complete chaos. It'll cause mayhem in the criminal justice system, and if there is a wholesale review of those cases, which there must be, then it's catastrophic for justice in Victoria.
A veteran police officer giving evidence at a pre-trial hearing last week sparked the crisis when he told the court that in 25 years he'd never sworn on the Bible nor affirmed his word when preparing an affidavit. Instead, he said he merely signed the documents. Another senior officer confirmed this as the norm. The magistrate in the case then threw out the evidence obtained with the warrant, saying police had trespassed.
If all of the magistrates in Victoria are going to have the same response to this problem, then yes, you conceivably have hundreds, if not thousands, of convictions that are, suspect or infirm.
Lawyers say the ramifications of this case could be wide-ranging.
The search warrants are prima facie invalid, and in other cases where affidavits are sworn by, or ought to be sworn by members of the police and tendered in evidence, they also are all potentially invalid.
The state government says it's too early to make assumptions about evidence gathered or tendered with non-sworn affidavits.
I'm not about to rush into any conclusion that suggests that either the wrong thing's been done or deliberately or inadvertently. I think we should just take this one step at a time and allow Victoria Police to examine the evidence that has been given.
Police Command says it's reminded senior officers of the importance of preparing affidavits correctly. But lawyers for the defence believe the consequences of this will be felt right across the criminal law, especially in areas like the seizure of assets.
It may mean that some of those forfeitures are defective. What that means, the implications in the long run, we don't know, but it could amount to, for instance, tens of millions of dollars of assets being forfeited to the state, being done so either unlawfully or as a consequence of defective affidavits.
Other legal experts say if judges believe the information in evidence tendered without a sworn affidavit is accurate and truthful, there's room for discretion.
We don't want to be issuing search warrants in situations in which a police officer has lied or made an egregious error in the information that he or she is offering to support the search. But that doesn't seem to be the issue here.
The state government is considering whether legislation is needed to solve the problem. Hamish Fitzsimmons, Lateline.